Tesla stock plummeted 10% yesterday, nearly 10%, and the company lost more than $50 billion in market value. It comes as CEO Elon Musk contemplates slashing prices on some models to drive up demand for the electric vehicles. CBS News MoneyWatch reporter Khristopher Brooks joins us now to talk about this. So why is Tesla seeing such investor turmoil?
So I'm not sure how much you've been watching sort of like the up and down prices that they've done.
Anne-Marie is my Tesla guru.
So yeah, earlier
they cut prices a lot.
Earlier this year they've been cutting prices a lot. And as you've mentioned, Elon has gone on record saying, you know, I want to lower prices because he's trying to get sales volume up. But in doing that, you also sort of chop into his profitability, right, of those cars. And if you're a shareholder, the whole point of investing in Tesla is that you want higher profits. That's better for your pocket. So if you're a shareholder, you're seeing him sell more, but the profits isn't there. That makes you jittery. That makes you not as attractive as a company to invest in. So they're reacting to the fact that he does want more sales, but it's not really helping, you know, the bottom line.
Yeah, so, you know, the whole thing is that there are other companies that are now putting out electric cars that are cheaper than what Tesla's offering, and so he's trying to be competitive, and maybe that's good for all of us. Right. I mean, maybe there will be sort of a race to the bottom in a good way, in that the prices will, if we see like a price war, right, could we all benefit with cheaper EVs out there?
It's okay. So there's a couple of sides to that coin. The prices are going down for that exact reason, right? You want to get as much market share as you can, as much talk and as much sales of your car than there. But there's also a lot of materials that they once needed for making these cars that have gotten cheaper now. There's some ease in supply chain woes that we've witnessed last year and the year before. Some of the materials we need is, especially in the batteries, it's getting lower. That means the cost of building a car is lower. So that means we can sell, or they can sell, you know, that EV a lot cheaper on the lot. So yes, you do as a company want more drivers buying your car, but that's only half of the reason why you're seeing the prices go down as much. The other one is just that it's cheaper to make it now.
Yeah.
Well, that's good news.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the Inflation Reduction Act and its tax break for electric vehicles. Which EV qualifies, and what kind of a break are people getting?
Yeah, that's good. Well, that's one of the. I didn't get a break.
You didn't get a break?
That's one of the things that Elon Musk talked about that was a challenge, is that you know, there are caps on a lot of these tax breaks, and most Teslas mostly have sort of surpassed that cap.
So it was interesting because last year and even earlier this year, there were so many automakers that thought that their EV was going to be on the list for these tax breaks, right? So if you have a certain electric vehicle, you can get up to $7,500 of a tax break for buying that vehicle. Some new guidance came out earlier this week, or was it last week, that gave you the list of what specific vehicles could be on there. I don't know the whole list off the top of my head, but I know for sure there's 2 Tesla models in there, the Model 3 and the Model Y that's in there. The Ford F-150 Lightning's in there. There's some other ones in there. But those cars will give you the entire $7,500. There's some hybrids you can buy that can give you half of that credit, so you get $3,750. If you buy a used EV or hybrid, you can get something around $4,000. It really just depends on where the materials for the car was built, where that's sourced from, where the material for the batteries were built, where that was sourced from. That sort of determines your eligibility more than anything else.
It's interesting. Khristopher Brooks, thank you very much.
Of course, of course.